Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we're working on the core and you're gonna need one heavy dumbbell. Before we get started in about 45 seconds or so, don't forget, workouts every Monday and every Thursday on the channel for over 6 years right now. So if you did the bare minimum, you'd be working out every Monday and every Thursday for about 15, 20 minutes for 6 years. And I'm sure you would have accomplished a lot by now. Anyway, core work today, one heavy dumbbell, 1 minute intervals of work, 30-second rest interval, so a little longer of a rest because we are doing a longer working interval. Lately, I've been doing a little non-traditional core work. This is a mixture of everything, so make sure you join me. It's gonna be a lot of rotational work we're gonna be doing. That's really been helping me a lot over the last few weeks that I've been doing it personally. We get started in 10 seconds. Gladiator deadlift. Preview should be up on the wall. You know what to do. Heavy dumbbell, up, down, nice and controlled movements. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Grab the dumbbell, up, down, straighten all the way up. Nice and controlled, pick it up across your body and down. And keep going. We're doing this for a minute today, so long work intervals today. But as always, nice and controlled. Don't have to cheat yet. We're not that far into our exercises. 30 seconds left. Keep it up. Keep going. I'm using a 30-pound dumbbell. Is that the heaviest dumbbell that I have right here in the basement at least? Keep going, 10 seconds. 5, 3, let's do one more. Finish it up since we got a long rest. All right, one exercise down. 9 exercises left. Like I said, it's pretty much a no repeat, more or less. There's a couple exercises going in one direction and repeat it in the other direction, but we'll call it a no repeat dumbbell core workout. If you want to be algorithm friendly, call it for adults over 50. All right, next exercise, around the world, around the waist. Make sure you do not drop this thing on your toe. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Gonna go 30 seconds in one direction, then you're gonna switch it up. Go 30 seconds in the other direction, or if you want to, just keep it going the same direction. Come back next week, do it in the other direction, right? Here we go. Nice and easy. Don't drop the dumbbell, and keep going. Stabilize the core. You're gonna switch it up in a couple of seconds. 3, 2, 1, we're halfway done, and go in the other direction. Especially in the beginning, make sure you're get the grip right, and then you can speed up a little bit if you want to. 20 seconds left, keep it up. Keep going with me. 10 seconds. This is a 15-minute core workout. It's also a strength workout, and that's exactly what we're looking for. 3, 2, 1, and stop right here. All right. 30 seconds, we're gonna drop down on the ground for a plank hold on your elbows. You're gonna do it for a minute, so it's a pretty long plank hold. But anytime you can, make it all a minute. Just drop down to your knees, take a little breather for a few seconds, and then pop right up. No reason to just quit, right? Just take a little breather, which is perfectly fine. All right, we're getting started in 5 seconds to get into position. 3, 2, 1, and hold. Nice and easy. I can never tell if my butt's up on these or if it's too low. I think this is about right. Because right now I can't see the camera screen. But we're holding it for a minute either way. About 45 seconds left. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. 1 minute. We're about halfway done, probably a little bit less, but about halfway by now. Nice isometric hold. Works the posterior chain as well as your core and your shoulders. Definitely feeling the hamstrings and the glutes. Just keep holding it right here. Keep it up. We got 10 seconds left. Hold it. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Since we have a 30-second rest interval, I want you to stand up get up off that floor. Don't just stay seated, even though next exercise is gonna be on the floor. Get up, walk around, relax, shake those arms out a little bit. We're gonna go for a weighted sit-up. I'm going to attempt to do the same 30-pound dumbbell. You can do the same, grab your heavy dumbbell, halfway through or whatever. Can't do them anymore, drop it, nice and easy. All right, get started in 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and let's go down, dumbbell up, sit up, and control. Up, and control on the way down. Good negatives, don't just drop down, hold it. Up, down. And if you're new here, guys, if you see me struggling, I'm working out with you. I'm not working out for you, just to show you how to do these things. These are also difficult for me sometimes, like this one is. That's why I stop talking so much, I should say. Up, down, 20 seconds left. Up, down, up, down. 10 seconds left, guys, keep it up. Up, and down, up, the last one, and down. All right, we're standing up for the next one. So on this windmill, or wood chopper, whatever you want to call it, it's actually a wood chopper. Nice and slow, heavy weight, nice and slow. I want you to control the weight. Get full rotation going across. You don't have to go as high, but just a nice full rotation and control the weight throughout the movement. We're gonna do it for 1 minute on one side. All right, let's grab that dumbbell, however you wanna hold it, and go up and down. Full movement, but control the weight. This is not a cardio exercise, this is a control exercise, so keep it up. Up. Like I said, a little different of a core work that you might be used to. But trust me, this is working your core. Up, down. Keep it up. 30 seconds left, a little less. Let's go. Brace the core, especially right this point right there. Up, 15 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, and put the dumbbell down. All right, what do we got next on the list? Planks, elbow, I should say knee to opposite elbow. Nice and controlled movement. Once again, do not rush it. We're not running through these. I want you to twist all the way through until that elbow, inside of that elbow gets touched by the knee, just like that, but you're gonna be on the ground. So let's get down on the ground. We get started in about 5 seconds. Push-up position. 3, 2, 1. Come across and back. Across, back. Nice and easy. Like I said, you're not rushing this. You're twisted, trying to get as close to the elbow as you can. Keep it up. Keep going. About 20 seconds left. Ten seconds. 2, 1, and relax. All right, 30-second break. Shake them out, shake them out. Gonna grab that dumbbell one more time and give me the wood chopper on the other side. We're nice and slow and control. Today is not a cardio workout. Sometimes we do these lighter weights. It's more of a cardio movement. Today is a controlling stability movement, and that's what we're focusing this entire workout. All right, here we go. 2, 1, go across and down. Cross, twist from the torso. Keep it up. Keep going. Halfway there. "20 seconds left. No, it's not easy. It's not supposed to be easy. Less than 10. Keep it up. Few more. 5 seconds. Couple more swings. Last one. And down. All right. We're gonna be sitting down on the ground for the next one. You're gonna have to hold on to something more than likely behind your head. I'm gonna use my dumbbell. You can hold on to literally anything. And we're gonna be going for the candlestick, I should say. The candlestick. The candlestick. So let me find a good spot right around here somewhere. Oh yeah. I know some of you guys love this exercise. 3, 2, 1, go up and out. Up, out, up, out. I'm gonna stop talking right now as you probably know what to do. Keep it up. 30 seconds left or so. You know, I'll keep on moving forward when I do this exercise. I might be kicking the walls soon. I'll find out, and I'll scoot back. Ten seconds left. Keep going. Up, out, up. 5 seconds. This is probably last rep. 2, 1, and relax. Woo. Since we have 30 seconds left, we are getting up. We are not resting on the ground today. We get up, shake it out, shake it out. Unfortunately, we have to get up, get down to the ground for the last 2 exercises. Still means we're gonna be standing up in between. All right, down the ground. Legs out in front of you. Preview's up on the screen. You know what to do. You're gonna bring this dumbbell up and over your head. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. One side and the other side. Keep going. 1, 2. Keep it up. 1. Oh yeah, it's getting heavy. Sit up and go. 30 seconds left. And let's go. Up, down, up, come on, down. Struggle with me, it's all right. Down, up, down, up, down. 5 seconds or so. Down, up, and down. And that's all I got. All right, 1 exercise left. We're not staying seated, however, we are standing up. Relax, now you can shake those arms out. Nice, 1 exercise left. Dumbbell's gonna stay on the floor. Previous, once again, as always, it's up on the screen. Clock, you probably noticed by now, hopefully is over there. And we're just going up and over. All right, 10 seconds left, let's get ready. Stand the dumbbell down. Stand that up, stand it down. God, that was the Polish thing if I ever heard. 3, 2, 1, over. You can put your heels down, over. Over, gently though. Gently. I don't wanna see this. I don't wanna see this. Not an exercise. Gently, boom. Tap and go. Tap, go. Tap, go. Perfect, let's go. Keep it up. Not easy. Not easy, not supposed to be. 30 seconds left. 20 seconds left. Keep going. That's the exercise, guys. We got 20 seconds left in us. Less than 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. All right. Guys, thank you for joining me today for After 50. My name is Paul. This was our, functional core workout, whatever you want to call it. It was definitely a core workout. Maybe a little different than what we're used to. Definitely work the core. Stability, mobility, that's what we're looking for. Make sure you come back every Monday and every Thursday for workouts. Over 6 years running right now. And I'll see you guys during the next workout.